Ocular infections with herpes simplex is the most common infectious cause of blindness in the developed countries. Herpes simplex virus may lead to ulcerative blepharitis, corneal involvement, follicular conjunctivitis, and regional lymphadenopathies. All of them have been discussed in the previous part of the video. Relapses can occur approximately every 4 years. Initially, a dendritic ulcer is present, but the later clinical picture is dominated by inflammation in the deeper structures, keratitis, corneal edema, and even an opacity seen in the cornea. For diagnosis, doctors will do a thorough eye examination to evaluate the vision, sensitivity to light, and even the eye movements. With the help of the eye drops, I'll be dilated, and the iris will be dilated too. That helps your doctor see the condition of the retina at the back of the eye. The doctor may perform a fluorescein eye stain test to clear the diagnosis. Now, in this test, a fluorescein dye is incorporated inside the eye to help visualize it more thoroughly. A primary infection and early relapses are usually treated with topical acyl clover. Steroids usually worsen the keratitis. The progressive scarring that follows the repeated attacks can lead to a corneal opacity and is a common indication where we have to resort to corneal grafting.